Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for Newton-Raphson method. On the same axis, sketch the graph y equals to -2 multiplied with the x cubed. And the second curve will be y is equals to exponent x. Use the Newton-Raphson method to find the roots of the situation 2 multiplied with the x cubed plus exponent x equals to 0. Give your answer correct to 4 decimal places. So task number 1, I'm going to sketch the graph. So kindly refers to the situation. Next, what we have to do is to sketch the graph for y equals to -2 multiplied with x to the power of 3. So notice that it is a cubic graph and we have the value of a, which is a -2 less than 0. So the graph will be towards the left. So here will be the situation. So y is equals to -2 multiplied with x cubed. Next, we have to sketch the graph for y equals to exponent x. So kindly refers to the index. Here we have x, which is a positive. So if it's a positive, the graph will be moving towards the right from the left. So where y is equals to exponent x. So notice that here we have the roots. And we are interested in this part. What is the value of x? Or we can say the roots. Kindly refers to the question. Use the Newton-Raphson method. Find the roots for the situation. So given the situation y is equals to -2 multiplied with x cubed. Y is equals to exponent x. So try to combine the situation and we will have -2x cubed equals to exponent x. Rewrite the situation and we will have exponent x plus 2 multiplied with x cubed equals to 0. So from here, we can find out the function of fx, which is 2 multiplied with x cubed plus exponent x. Second step is to find the first derivative, where we have f prime x is equals to 6x squared plus with the exponent x. Next, what we have to do is to estimate the value of x. So we have to show there is a root between the left hand side. So now what we have to do is to try and error the situation. Kindly substitute the value of x into the function of fx. So make use of the calculator. So if we substitute the value f0, and we will have the value of y, which is equals to 1. Next, try and error. Try to substitute the value x equals to -1. And we will have the value of -1.6. So notice that here we have the opposite sign. So show that there is a root between x equals to 0 and x equals to -1. So find the midpoint. So in here, the midpoint, or we can say the x0 will be equals to 0 plus with the -1 over 2. So the value of x0 will be equals to -0.5. So by using the Newton-Raphson method to find the roots. So do remember we have the formula x sub n plus 1 equals to x sub n minus the function f bracket x sub n over f prime bracket x sub n. So kindly substitute the situation into the formula. So now what we have to do is to substitute the function into the formula. So in here, given that the x naught is equals to negative 0.5. So in here, x1 is equals to negative 0.5 minus, substitute the value into the function. So here we have 2 bracket negative 0.5 to the power of 3 plus exponent to the power of negative 0.5. 6 multiplied with negative 0.5 squared plus exponent negative 0.5. Try to make use of the calculator. So now what we have to do is to key in the formula. So alpha x minus, we have a ratio. So kindly substitute or key in the function fx. So where we have x over the situation 6x squared plus exponent alpha x. So what we have to do is to press the button calculate and substitute the value negative 0.5. And we have the x sub 1 is equals to negative 0.5. Next, repeat the situation. X sub 2 is equals to negative 0.669250164. Repeat the situation minus cube plus exponent negative over 6 multiplied with negative 0.66 squared plus exponent and we will have x2 is equals to, so kindly refers to the calculator, press the button calculate and then press the button answer equals, and we will have x2 equals to negative so what we have to do now is to repeat the situation without writing the formula. Press the button calculate and answer and we will have and repeat the situation. So calculate and answer. So x4 equals to negative 0.64. So repeat again the situation. So x5 is equals to negative 0.6410053318. And notice that here we have a repeated situation. So meaning that the root x is equals to negative 0.641. So kindly refers to the question. The question said, write your answer correct to 4 decimal places. So the final answer would be x is equals to negative 0.6410. So here we are. and thanks for watching.